How Laundry Day helps me to scale my business from nothing to $3,000 days. Do you have a specific day for doing your laundry? Or are you more the do it as you need something kind of person? Laundry seems to take on its own life, just as you thought you had it done. Dirty items suddenly appear, and you are back to square one. Ironically, I just had to stop this video and go and put on some laundry. The one thing that laundry has taught me about business is that it is okay to go back to basics when things go wrong or unplanned. It is not a failure and it's not a bad thing. Sometimes in life, we really just need to go back to the drawing board and see things from another angle to solve them. Laundry is never done really, there is always another pile. But if we spend our lives grumbling about the repetition, we will never become masters of it. Doing things over and over makes you good at it. It makes you more prepared, it makes you resilient. If anything, it just helps you realize that life is a journey, not a destination. There is always more to do, seek and grow from. If you keep wanting the end of it, you'll never get there, and when you are there, you won't even know it. So today's lesson is this. Things to do will pile up, and sometimes they will be the same daily tasks that make you feel bored. But never forget, with every task, you are getting a new perspective. Nothing is ever the same task because it is being done on a different day with a different set of circumstances, different ages, and a different attitude. Once you notice this, nothing will seem old or dull. Every day is a new adventure and every wash brings a new outfit. Build a standardized process around the steps that led to that result. I was able to accomplish that without ads, funnels, or SEO. Based on all the steps, I made a framework that could be reverse engineered. This same framework is responsible for 3K days without ads and frequent vacations. Once something works, stop and focus on it. Laundry days will come. No doubt.